Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here, back with another break. Today, doing a blaster box of 2019 Topps Stadium Club Baseball. Finally found some at Walmart, grabbed a blaster. So, 8 packs total. Look for chrome parallels, look for autographs. So, let me get the plastic off here, and I'll show you guys the odds. And you guys can pause it and check them out. Haven't seen any retail opened. I've watched a couple of hobby boxes get opened, but no retail, so haven't purposely looked for any blaster box openings. But you guys can pause that, check that out. And let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 packs. Pack number 1. As usual with Stadium Club, you're looking for nice photography like that right there, Masahiro Tanaka. Man, I'm not having good luck with retail. Look at that corner, dinged corner. Albert Pujols, very simple design. I do like it though. Man, what a simple, yeah. They don't even have their position on there. Warp speed insert. Victor Robles. It's kind of a neat looking insert. Starling Marte and Michael Fulmer. Literally, it says Stadium Club, the team name, and the player name. So very, very simple design. Pack number 2. Wilson Contreras. Tim Anderson. Adrian Beltre. A red, Jake Bowers. Not numbered. That's a rookie. And Gene Segura. Yeah, they are nice looking cards. Salvador Perez. Stan Musial. Emperors of the Zone. Noah Syndergaard insert. That's an interesting one. Nomar Mazara and Eric Hosmer. Justin Turner. Kyle Schwarber. Roger Maris. Mike Piazza. That's like a sepia. And Archie Bradley. Interesting. I wonder what the odds on those are. 1 in 8. Red foils 1 in 4. Jose Ramirez, that's a nice looking photo. Shane Bieber. Power Zone Will Clark insert. Roberto Clemente and Todd Frazier. 3 packs left, it looks like. Got a chrome in here. Alex Gordon. Tony Gwynn. Jock Peterson, red. And Jose Canseco. Christy Mathewson, that's a cool photo. Jose Canseco, chrome. Chromes are nice. Fred McGriff, Marcell Ozuna, Ketel Marte Black, not numbered, Corey Seager, and Duke Snider. And the last pack. Hyunjin Ryu, David Peralta, DJ Stewart, Beam Team Aaron Judge insert, and Orlando Arcia. So there you guys go. That is 2019 Stadium Club Blaster. The only thing I really like about Stadium Club is the photography. I've busted several hobby boxes of this stuff from previous years, and I've never gotten anything worth more than about 20 bucks out of Stadium Club ever. So, but you're really just buying it for the photography. So, the inserts are okay. The Beam Team is cool, and the Warp Speed is cool. Not really a fan of these two though. Nothing numbered. Like I said, it's Stadium Club. You can't expect a whole lot from it. Chrome, I think those are 1 in 24. Some parallels, but nothing numbered. So, yeah, it's Stadium Club. Definitely not a product that you're buying in bulk to get big hits out of. But yeah, I figured I'd open a box, see what it was looking like this year, and give you guys a look at it. So, man, I got a lot of messed up corners, man. Look at those freaking tops, man. Man, this is a bad year for condition. God, that sucks. There's a ton of them. Look at all those dinged corners. Just folded. They're folded. Yeah, that's tops. But, well, there you guys go. 2019 Topps Stadium Club.